All right, this is the floor of the T-top here. You can see somebody welded in some seat brackets because people suck. So I'm gonna go take this time now and take those out, and then I'm gonna address some more of this rust here. I've already hit the floor with a wire brush just to kind of get the hard stuff off. I'm gonna go back now, and you can see there's a hole right here, a couple little problem areas. And I'm gonna go ahead and hit this next with maybe a flapper wheel and another wire brush that goes on the end of a drill. And then I've got some 40 grit paper and a DA. And then I've got some rust restorer and some rusty metal primer. And I'm gonna go ahead and take care of this for this being a T-top. Yeah, I don't think it's too bad. Driver's side or passenger side, I haven't taken any time to address or anything yet, so it looks about the same. This car was a race car at one time, so I think it either wrecked and went over a I don't know, I think maybe it pulled a wheel stand and came down really hard, so it dented the floor pans here. So I'm going to take care of next, but I'm going to take care of where you can see light going through and stuff like that first. All right, I'm going to get to it.